Am I doing it?
Sure.
This is the way it works. Until people start getting drunk, I do the intros. Yeah. So, little secret for you. Today, we're going to make Blackberry Bourbon Smash.
We're going to smack that mint.
What?
Smack that mint.
That's right. So you want to make drinks like this at home? Of course you do. So pick up the Home Bartender Starter Kit at shop.awesomedrinks.com. Comes with everything you need, including free shipping. Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Danny and Derek going to make you an entirely sober... Oh, shit, we have another thing to do.
Entirely.
We'll do it after this.
Oh, shit.
We get the yogurt effect thing I have to want to review.
Don't
want to forget about that.
Oh, that's right.
That's right at the start. So we'll do that. Okay. So stay tuned for that. This is... we're going to be creating the Blackberry Bourbon Smash. Because...
Spoiler alert.
You gotta, we've no drinks. Well, you guys are drinking already? You probably were.
Me?
You've already had
no, I didn't have a drink yet today.
You were thinking about it.
I thought about it. We were going to have some wine. Well, Jay had some wine. I didn't.
So that's, when you have to think about it though. I am 100% certain I did not have anything to drink today.
I had a drink last Thursday, and it was the first drink since last episode, I think.
Oh,
dang!
I had a beer at Guitar, and that's like the first beer I've had all year.
And we haven't done an episode in since February.
Yeah.
No, we did Mexican last night, so I had.
I had
margarita.
Well, we won't be doing a margarita this week, but this month for you guys. But we will be doing a Paloma type thing. The Blackberry Bourbon Smash is gonna be 3 smashes this month, or the next series of like seven episodes. The Blackberry Bourbon Smash, believe it or not, has bourbon.
Smash.
2 ounces of bourbon, 3/4 ounce of fresh lime.
Don't look directly at your muddle.
Smash.
1/2 ounce simple syrup, 4 to 5 blackberries, 4 to 6 mint leaves. I bought a mint leaf tree just for this episode because I didn't know Dan already had mint.
Yeah.
Okay, just making sure.
Hopefully,
I know it's been a couple months, but I can still read.
Check on you.
I can still read. Look, Don Phonics work for him. This recipe is...
Some people aren't even going to get that, which is the sad part.
That's true. Wait, I hit 50 this year, so that's... Yeah. I'm probably...
You did move the portions away before I memorized them. Can you go back up for a second?
I moved them. Why? Yeah. Before you memorize them?
Come on, it's got to be 2.
Okay, you can memorize them now?
Got it.
Come on.
Good. Go ahead and scroll and do your reading.
I really wasn't thinking. We don't have to do that. So add blackberries. You're going to add blackberries and mint to a shaker, and then you're going to gently muddle. What that's going to do is it's going to get out the oils of the mint. You don't want to like murder the thing and tear off all the mint because then it's like not as good. You also can get bitterness out of it from like the chlorophyll and stuff. So you just want to like press to get out the oils. Or
chlorophyll.
The other thing you can do is you can smack it on your hand to like wake it up a little bit, especially if you're doing garnishes. Yeah. You know what I've been watching a lot? Me and Liam been watching Bar Rescue. And every episode of they suck so bad. And I'm like, why don't they just watch my show? Like it's on the internet, it's fucking free.
Why don't they just measure?
The best part.
Well, for speed. Right?
No, some of them don't know how to do any of those things.
But you can still be fast and measure.
Some of these people have worked at a bar for 14-something years. And some of them have been there for like 2 or 3 years. And you remember that time you were learning how to stir?
Yeah.
We were making fun of you?
They're
doing it!
We got to see him stir this tonight sometime.
What do you mean? I can stir?
Yeah. Okay. Well, it's a little different in the spring. You
used to say that too.
Don't spill that shit.
There's booze on the rocks.
Look at that freaking juicer.
That's a little easier because then you can just pour it. It's like
yeah.
I like that.
When'd you get that one?
This week. So I posted an episode last week, and then Booze on the Rocks, I believe that's his channel, watches, and I had clicked over to his channel and seen what he was doing, and he had that thing. I was like, dude, that thing's cool.
Awesome.
In his comments, and he linked to it in his comments, and I just clicked on the link, which means he probably got affiliate credit. And then I bought it with $3 gift card. I think it's like $63. It's pretty heavy.
I mean, it's pretty heavy, dude. Good lord.
You got a tea hat somewhere?
That's not too bad.
I have a tea hat. I do, because I just put it in here.
I mean, I know you do. I guess I was just asking if you could find it.
Yeah, because I put it in here like 5 minutes ago. And it's already waiting to
far away to lose it. Oh, there you go.
It's just there's a lot of stuff in here. The one thing I don't have in here is like one of those speed bars like they have on the show.
Regular stuff while we're at it.
What do you want? I was going to get you one of those, but I figured you already had one. You don't have the black one?
We're not prepared.
No.
Yeah. First drink. Come on. This is how you know we're not drunk.
Yeah.
This is true.
We're struggling to find all the...
Look at that.
Stuff like that. That's
that is bright.
That's fucking radical. Like that.
Totally, man. It's actually tubular.
Yeah.
Tubular.
That's the thing's go-to with the sauce.
All right, kiddo.
I'm trying to hip it up a little bit and
For real. On God. For
yeah,
real.
on God, this thing's Sigma.
No cap.
No cap.
This is an S tier cocktail. I'm telling you right
S-tier.
now.
Oh, S tier.
This is how you lose an audience.
What do you mean?
If anybody is like, oh my God, it's a bunch of dads trying to act like a bunch of kids, they're probably not old enough to watch anyway.
Yeah, they can't remember.
Right.
We were once kids and we probably still haven't grown up enough to be
Yeah.
considered not kids in some ways.
That thing looks
And you should be
fine.
slightly buzzed watching this anyways.
Right.
So,
If not, then you're completely doing it wrong. You're
Right.
missing the
Yeah.
point of the show. This, I don't even want to drink it. Look at that.
I know.
It's like a
gorgeous.
little blackberry
That
on
looks
there.
good.
That's a spring looking cocktail right
Oh,
there.
dude. It's just this
Spring
seems like a
AF.
lot of work. It is.
It is late spring.
AF.
It is.
Getting ready for summer.
Yes, because
coming.
this episode
Mhm.
actually goes out on tomorrow when I edit it in the morning and then get it out. So
When summer
Oh, it's
start?
good.
Memorial Day? Is Memorial Day
Summer,
pretty much
yeah.
summer's official start?
The 22nd or
That's not
23rd?
official
Like the
start.
unofficial start.
June 22nd is summer.
Oh,
June 22nd?
Yeah.
The summer?
Yeah.
that
Kid,
sounds
are you kidding me? That's
No,
when
dude,
summer
that's
is?
when the sun starts to go. The days start to get shorter.
That's the.
It's like the solstice and shit.
Oh, that's over here. It's good.
That's good.
It
It's
is
nice because it's not like overpowering, but it's like a little. It's got a nice little tartness to it that makes you want to go back for a second and third sip.
the
You actually get some
Mint.
blackberry in it. And
yeah. It's the mint is not very strong, but it almost gives me like an earthy taste more than a. I guess
Yeah.
it is minty, but it's not like a cooling fresh mint taste. It tastes more earthy to me. Maybe it's just the
Earthy,
combination of the.
Mm.
Well, you could also
The
take a
bitterness.
couple sprigs and slap it on top if you want to get the
Oh,
if you want the smell.
yeah
to like
Yeah.
bring out the
aromatics.
the-
Yeah.
yeah. Oh, it's dead
Oh,
now.
I slapped it.
Jesus
Wow, you
Christ.
snap. You
Jesus.
slap the shit out of that thing. Why don't you flame
God
it while you're
damn,
at
you
it?
just
Holy
knocked out
crap.
the mint.
Boom.
It's even worse. Let me try.
Let's say,
Oh, dude.
do you feel it?
Yeah.
You got to drink it. You didn't even take a
You
sip.
don't even have to.
You got to take a sip.
It's
Wow.
You
already
can smell it,
awesome.
right?
Yeah.
Sniff it.
No, that
I mean,
actually,
without smell, you don't get taste. So, like,
Right.
anything you do that.
but that makes a big difference. Like, it is actually much more minty now. Tasty.
Does it really?
Mm.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Like, I mean, you slap the shit out of it. It cried.
That's some weeping mint, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
It doesn't have this,
But
it
yeah,
doesn't have the same mineral.
Because
in
you
it.
can smell it, you're getting the
Yeah.
taste of it too.
It's brighter and but it's like not too much. It's still not too much.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
No, it's not.
Because you can muddle some, I don't like a really heavy minty drink. Like,
What's the nice thing about the
No.
mint slap as a garnish because it's not getting the bitterness or anything. In
and you
there.
don't even if it didn't have mint in it, it's still a nice thing. Like you put it
It's
in like a club soda type drink or
It's like when
spritz.
you like flame the orange
The
peel
orange
or
peels.
like coat
And
the glass
rub
with
it.
it. It doesn't really
It's
add
more
much to the flavor,
Yeah.
but you really get it in the nose.
and that's where you're getting all your flavor anyway. So I mean, and that's a high proof, right? Or it's 100 proof, something like that.
94.
That's a really big bottle, and we've already gone through a lot of it somehow.
Yeah, 94.
But
That's good.
yeah, that's
Like a lot of times you don't get the actual like fruit, like the blackberries
Yes.
actually coming through.
the one we have
Yeah.
later in the month is the blueberry. It's either the blueberry gin or I think it's gin, or maybe it's bourbon, but. That one we'll see. Like blueberries can be like super good,
Or
but
they,
a lot
or
of
they can be
times
nothing.
They
Yeah.
have no flavor to them. It just turns things purple.
Yeah,
That's not as good.
they're fun to eat by themselves when they're fresh off the vine, especially because
Yeah.
even in the containers they lose a little flavor, like
Yeah.
strawberries and stuff. Not
Yeah.
use the fresh stuff.
Fresh off the vine is nice if you can keep them. I have blueberries in the back. I've never had it. I never tasted them.
You need a scarecrow.
Well, you need to retire. Ooh, a scarecrow. Maybe
Yeah.
I'll get a
You need a
scarecrow.
scarecrow for your blueberries.
That just scares crows.
Oh, that's true.
No, but it scares everything. You just put it out there.
Speaking of scarecrows,
Because scaring everything away.
I got a marker started getting the link below. So go there and click the link. It's probably right at the top of the video. It's the first thing in the description, so you can't miss it. Then all the rest of the googly gook stuff down there. That's it, my friends. Go make yourself a Blackberry Bourbon Smash. It's tasty.
It's good.
Teach you how to drink.